Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got something here I want to show you. It just come to me in the mail. I was sent this cocktail shaker set. They reached out to me and wanted me to do a review on it. Tell them what I think and show you what I think about it. So guys, I'm going to open this up, show you what's in the kit, and then we're going to make a drink here in just a bit. Alright guys, there's the box as it is. Beautiful. It is, what's unique about this, it's neat how they got it. I've already opened it up and looked in there, that it is vacuum sealed. You know how when you shake a drink and your hands freeze on you because all the condensation built up with the ice? This one should not do that. It's vacuum sealed. So, and it's a great looking shaker. So let me open up the box, show you what's in it. Alright, first thing I see, it's a recipe, classic recipe book. It's got several little cocktails in there, and it's got a little guide to what you got inside the kit. Several. We've got a mojito, pina colada, Metropolitan, just to look at a few, blue Hawaiian, or blue Hawaii, they call it, margarita recipe. Great little book. Now, I've got a couple extra gaskets. I'll show you the gaskets that are in the set here in just a second. Oop. Get this box out of the way. Would you look at that? Look at that, guys. That is beautiful. It's big, it's bold. Of course, it is double layer insulated. If you look down inside this cap, it has got this own strainer built in. It's got a little small gasket, and they give you a little extra gasket as well. And your larger, you can see it's shaking and rattling now. Got a little mixing spoon. I suppose that blunt end could be used as a muddle, and a little 1 ounce and a 1/2 ounce jigger built right in, and it tucks away when you're not using it inside the shaker. That is pretty cool, gotta say. This is pretty heavy duty. I love how it's built. It's got the ridges in there, and it's pretty much got a good grip. It won't slide out of your hands at all. I like how that's made. But check this out, guys. I don't know if you can see it. Right inside here, it's got some markings. You can use this as a measuring cup as well. It's marked for 3 ounces and 6 ounces right inside here, which makes sense why that would need to be sealed. Put that on, you have a mixing glass right there. How cool is that? So, and it's airtight. You can see the larger ring got an extra gasket here on this outer edge right here. That is a gasket that seals this thing really tight when you're shaking it. I haven't used this yet, so I'm hoping that's the case. Guys, let me wash this up, and I'll get back and we'll make us a cocktail with it. Alright guys, for our drink, as promised, I'm gonna make you one of my go-to drinks that I just drink around here, and it's gonna be the Whiskey Stone Sour. Very much like a whiskey sour, but we add a little orange juice to the mix too. Let's get started with 2 ounces of bourbon. I'm just using Jim Beam bourbon. It's hard to pour that big bottle in that little bitty jigger. 1. 2. 1 ounce of sweet and sour mix. And we could almost guess at this. I'm just going for about 3/4 of an ounce of just orange juice. Even if you go an ounce, it ain't that big of a deal. All right, Alright, gonna load up our shaker with ice. Should be about all we need. On good and tight. And don't forget to smile at your customer while you shake it. Not that I have a customer. No leakage. There. Perfect. Alright, got our ice-filled cocktail glass. See how we did. Perfect. We got to come in here with a slice of orange. Got a little garnish. If I can get her in there. There we go. Would you look at there? First drink out of the new shaker, a whiskey stone sour. Cheers to you guys. That's good as always. That's delicious. I will finish that in a minute. That's not why we're here. We're here to talk about this guy, the Cockshier. I'm not sure exactly how it's pronounced. The first thing I noticed, it did a great job mixing, did what it's supposed to do. That double insulated wall, this is not, I mean, it's cool to the touch. If you make mixed drinks in a cocktail shaker, you know what I'm talking about, getting frostbite. Just when you're just trying to make a drink. This one doesn't do that. That double insulated wall prevents that from happening. Great little accessory. I like it. It'll find its use around here, I promise you. Guys, thank you as always. I'm going to leave a link to this below. It's an Amazon link. I'm an affiliate, so it'll be a link to my affiliate page. It'll link you directly to their Amazon page, and all those. Go check it out if you like it. Hey, give it a try, guys. Thanks as always. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. You know the deal. God bless you, folks. Bye bye.